We are strolling the streets of Sellwood, and I mean, there's honestly too much to describe. You could go stand-up paddleboarding, you could go antique shopping, you could go to a five-star restaurant, or stop by a food cart. I don't know. What do you want to do? It's all here in Sellwood. So let's come check it out. Pacific Northwest, you need that outdoor gear. Columbia Sportswear Factory Store is right in downtown Sellwood. Definitely should check it out. One of the unique things about Sellwood is its plethora of antique and thrift stores, including Sellwood Collective and Stars and Splendid over on Milwaukee. It seems like every corner in Sellwood has some fantastic little thing to discover, like Mama Ramen, Sellwood Cycle Repair, and Portland Bottle Shop. There are so many things to discover in Sellwood, including this food cart pod with Moroccan, Mexican, cookie dough, ice cream, coffee, boba. I mean, literally on this one block. If you're training for a marathon or training for a long race, Springwater Corridor is where you need to come. It's flat and like 160 miles. But if you just want to get your jollies at an amusement park, there's Oaks Park right next door. Okay, you get off of work, you come down here from Sellwood, it's just a few blocks, and you can put in your stand-up paddleboard or take the family for a kayak. I don't know where else you can do that in Portland. Pretty freaking cool. Sellwood has some of the grandest parks, including Westmoreland Park, and this here is Hall Pond, where you can contemplate the universe, who am I, and practice your fly fishing. They're the same thing, right? Who am I? So seriously, Sellwood has like everything you could possibly want. Mid-century moderns, bungalows, craftsman, Victorian, everything. I mean, there's even houses with goats. If you want to call Sellwood your home, reach out. I'd love to help.